Is the Honor Magic V6 a revolution or the most expensive fold of your life? We're about to find out. 8.9mm folded. That's thinner than most flagship slabs. Silicon carbon battery. 6,200 milliamps inside this. The new frictionless Hinge opens like a book that never creases. We spent a week looking for the fold line. Still searching. Aerospace-grade armor glass. We dropped it. Twice. Then once more just to be sure. Honor isn't bluffing. Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 Geekbench Multi-Core 3100. That's not a score, that's a statement. But benchmarks lie, so we ran 30 minutes of sustained load. Thermal throttle kicked in at 22 minutes. That matters because it is 7 minutes longer than the Gen 4. Honor's on-device AI juggles 3 apps simultaneously without a single dropped frame. Ask the AI to summarize a 40-page report. 11 seconds on device, no cloud, no internet, just raw silicon. Triple lens periscope, 10 times optical zoom. The detail in this skyline shot should not be possible from a folding phone. Low light, no tricks. The computational photography engine pulls shadow detail that the competition flat out misses. Full day. Screen on heavy use. We hit 8% at 11 p.m. 6,200 milliamps earns every milliamp. Dead to full in 41 minutes with a bundled charger. That silicon carbon chemistry doesn't just store more, it charges faster too. The inner display doubles as a productivity canvas. Flex mode prop. Split keyboard, AI autocomplete. This is a laptop replacement conversation, not a phone conversation. Honor rates this Hinge for 400,000 folds. We did 50 on camera. It felt the same on Fold 50 as Fold 1. Here's where it gets complicated. The price puts it against Samsung, Apple, and Google all at once. Value is genuinely debatable. If you need a reason not to buy it, the software ecosystem outside China is still catching up. That's the honest answer. But on hardware, thermal management, battery density, AI performance, build quality, the Magic V6 leads every single category. 2026's most advanced foldable, the data says yes. Subscribe. Next we test if it survives a full week in Bangladesh summer heat.